Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and something that is kind of interesting is going to change within Windows, and there's no, telling why Microsoft doesn't say anything. So in Windows 10 and Windows 11, of course, the operating system is capable of checking your location, and that is something that a lot of devices do, including, in other operating systems like Android and iOS and the Mac OS and so on. And of course, there's a use for it, which is, you want to know the weather. Well, the app needs to know where you are, so it's kind of normal. So there's a lot of apps like that like to know maps, for example, also knowing your location. That is not what's going to change. What is going to change? There is something in the locations that is going to change. And so if you go into the privacy and security tab in Windows and you go down, you will have something called location. And of course, here is where, there's a switch where apps can actually find your location depending on what you want to do. And you'll have a certain number of apps that you can tell yes or no, I want it or don't want it to know my location. So here, for example, the weather app of Microsoft, I don't, can for the location purpose and so on. There's different things. And it could be useful in some points. But what Windows was doing, it was actually keeping a 24-hour history of your locations. So that meant that here in location history, the apps had the ability to go and see where you were in the last 24 hours with your computer. Of course, if your computer stays at home all the time, it just says the same location all the time. But if you have a laptop, you bring it along with you, or maybe a Windows tablet, of course, that location can change. So Microsoft decided that this location history will be removed from Windows 10 and 11. That means that this part will disappear, and apps will no longer be able to check out where you were in the last 24 hours. Once again, Microsoft doesn't say why this is being removed, and I can't think of anything else than maybe, they want to have privacy be a little better, so that there's not too much tracking going on with location history. Or the other thing that I did think about is that, a lot of people use laptops, but I would say a big chunk of computers just never move. And that is kind of a waste of time to, have location history on a PC that stays where it is all the time. Just like mine, I only have one PC that I do go a different place with it. For the rest, everything is always at the same place. So that will be gone both from Windows 10 and Windows 11 soon, Microsoft has announced. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.